Now, for the first time, there's an Australian car with contemporary European styling. An Australian car with better performance and better fuel economy than ever before. With a smoother, quieter ride and safer handling offered by the availability of independent rear suspension and anti-lock braking. And with an unprecedented number of safety features, including the life-saving technology of the first airbag ever offered in an Australian family car. Introducing the all-new Holden Commodore, an Australian car like you've never experienced before. The all-new Holden Commodore, moving further ahead.